I'm here at the Grand Bazaar in Istanbul, Turkey. Famous place. They're selling all types of items here. Hustlers coming up to me, trying to sell me socks. You know. Oh, that gold, baby. We like gold. We're now walking through the alley of Grand Bazaar Market in Istanbul, Turkey. There's a crazy amount of shops, people, hustlers. Everything is moving here. There's beautiful energy. We're gonna look at some cool stuff here. We're gonna see what the coolest things we can find.
What's this?
It is Turkish Delight store.
Sen merkezinde neredesin?
Oh,
Hayatım boyunca ben Ankara'ya gittim. Taş peşinde biliyor. Yani tam merkezden. Yani
Wow.
gitmiyorum. Ama
Looks
adama
good.
ne anlatmışım var ya.
Turkish Delight.
Ondan sonra ben bıraktım dedim. Ben şarkımı...
And that good. Oh, really good.
Yeah,
Pistachio.
yes. I choose by weight. It's price 1 kilo.
It's good, right? It is good. It is good.
Thank you, brother.
It is good. I'm gonna try this one right here.
Oreo and the almond.
Oreo and almond. The Oreo and almond. Damn.
Turkish Delight. Good?
That one good.
You like it? Wow.
Better than the last one.
Can't get that at the dollar store, can you?
No.
Yeah,
Blackberry tea.
It's blackberry, yeah.
Ooh, blackberry.
Yeah, and whole quarter. This one is very easy. Yeah, it's for you.
Ooh.
Brother, go for it.
You got Turkish breakfast coming out. Oh, look at that. Look at this guy hooking it up with the omelet. Oh, olives. What's that? Chocolate? Some cheese. The bread. Oh yeah. Let's go. What's this, brother? What's this?
Jam.
Jam,
Yeah.
cheese.
Still going. It's still going. A little bit more.
What's this? What's this one?
Jam.
Jam,
Jam. Jam
Cheese.
with strawberry.
strawberry jam.
Keep it going.
Keep it going.
I have.
we got enough.
For two?
I think we got enough, bro.
No, keep it going, brother.
We got, oh, more's coming.
What?
Keep it going, keep it going.
Yeah.
Let's go, turkey. Let's go. Time to eat.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna try one of these cheeses, I guess.
You want to love you?
More.
Okay.
What is this?
More.
No, it's good. We're done.
What, this
That was
right here?
good.
No. Okay.
Different stuff.